Hi, I made this little table out of trash in my garage. Let me show you. This top is an offcut from a bench that I made for my front porch, and the rest is scrap steel, including rebar. Let's join the build in progress as I weld some feet for the legs. I've got 3 of these made. I gotta make 1 more. Let's go over to the drill press. I'm gonna clamp this 1, 2, 3 block with this vise down to this plate seal. Alright, I'm gonna clean up some of these stray edges. I got these 4 discs here that we made out of 1/4-inch plate. Alright, those feet are welded on. A little raw beeswax is a nice finish on steel. I'm going to put a little beeswax and orange oil on. Oh. Alright, that project's done. Now I'm going to take a moment on this beautiful day to clean up the garage and take a breath.
So you live in the dream. You should see it through someone else's side. Another cipher to break, while the grass grows underneath my feet. Been running out of time for so long. Hello, 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 Leah. Now I'm running out of so long. Hello, hello, Leah. Hope I got the time to tell you.